MU stock, $200 per share. This thing is going to the moon. It is very difficult, Limos, to pick out where we should be buying this. I think on levels, though, I mean, you're just going to have to play it as each new zone is how I would do it. So you had that zone at 170, and then it started consolidating a little bit up to the basically 195. And then here it is, MU stock, consolidation, consolidating in this zone right here, basically almost $200 per share. So basically $175 to $200 per share, and then it's still holding. Now, if it can hold that, it's going to continue going. Oh, what just happened here? Did I lose him? Oh, I just realized I switched to members only. Let me get this out of members only. Hold on, Limos. Give me one sec. Let me just make this quick recording for him just so he has it. Limos is a member of our WAT, so he gets first dibs. If he has a request, I'm definitely going to do it for him. Limos, this video is for you. So looking at MU stock, MU right now is trading around $200 per share. Looking at it here, I look at it as in zones, and I want to see, are we going to go back into this zone of $170 back up to 200, consolidate in this zone? Otherwise, if we don't and we get strength in SMH today, SMH, it doesn't go to the downside and you can hold $200 per share, I can look for a push higher on that. That is something I'd be looking for. So many streamers are going to just use algos and go off of them instead of reading the chart. I just honestly just don't. I don't have algos. I just trade how I trade. You know, I like my big caps. I find a better margin of safety trading them. I trade my Amazon. I trade the levels at big support levels. And I scalp off those levels, you know? So it really depends like what you're looking for. I appreciate you sending me that heart. That's kind of like what I look for when I trade these. BYND, I'm not really trading yet. I was watching FLWS. I'm gonna watch this at the open. I just want to see what it does. It's continuously making higher highs. I was gonna buy that dip and then I got a little distracted. I was gonna buy it at $7.40. That would have been a nice entry. 60 cents right there. But it's all good. All good. Yeah, let me show you, because I just want to show you that, like, I just want to show you the gains on the year right now, so you guys can get an idea. Like, this is real money. This isn't bullshit. I trade on this laptop. Look at this laptop. That's it. A little laptop, no big deal. But look at that. We're up 108,000 this year. And it's all being just calculated with the trades. It's all being very calculated with the trades. And I honestly haven't traded that much this month. Like, let's look at this month and see how I'm doing. I'm only up 7,600 on this month. It's been a lighter month for me. Let's see here. Let's go over the last 31 days. Yeah, that's it. Last 30 days, 7,600. Oh, let's not do that. Hold on. My bad. Looking at this here, we got, today we're up nothing. We haven't made any trades today. Year to date, 108K. Biggest trades are UNH. We made over 38,000. You can see NVIDIA here. NVIDIA, we made about 19,000, 12 and 7. And then Intel, we made 7,100. But UNH was a big one when it was all those dips. I kept scalping it like crazy. So that's really where we're at, day trading right now. And you'll see, like, when I'm trading, like, I still have my long-term investments. You guys will see. Looking down here, you see on the bottom, you'll see I have FXAIX order. I'm buying another 350 bucks worth. I do that every single Wednesday, adding to my long-term charts, my long-term investments as well. So even though I day trade, I still have other accounts that I'm buying long-term, and that's really what you need to do. You got to make sure that you're going to continue to invest long-term, no matter where the market is, because you will make more money over time just by dollar cost averaging. You don't have to be this amazing day trader. You just got to stay disciplined, have some cash so you can day trade. But that's really what I'd be looking for. It says we got 4 new messages. Let me just look through here. Pin your comment. I appreciate you, Crane Guy. Thank you so much. That means a lot, man. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that, Crane Guy. Yeah, so I mean, the thing is, yeah, it's like, you take your time. Like, trading is something that, like, can really consume your life. So you really need to kind of go slow with it. You know, when you're ready to go back into it, you step back into it. Sometimes it's kind of a blessing because you really just want to trade bull markets if you're going long. That's good, SMF Brian. If you're buying the dips on, are you buying this right now? FLWS, that's what you've been buying? That's pretty impressive. That's what you're doing. I mean, it's good eyes. It's crazy. Everybody's talking about buying BYND. I don't see myself buying that. I understand the puts action on that. I think this is the backside of the move. Looking at this, that's what I'd be looking for with that.